papaya tree. Guys, now I came in my room and something special I would like to share with you. Hello everyone, welcome to day 5. Guys, now I'm at home and you can see that is my house, and my house is very big, and behind my house there are big field, open big field behind my house. You can see here, guys, these are potato field and guava tree, and you can see here garlic field. And just I would like to show you, here is a coriander coriander leaf coriander leaf. You can see, wow, super. And guys, here is a lemon tree, and here is a papaya tree. And just I would like to show you something different. Here is a mustard field. This is a blackberry tree. Okay, this is my poultry farm, and this poultry farm has been closed before few months. Mango tree. Guys, now I came in my room and something special I would like to share with you. When I wake up in the morning and go for walking, so I can hear birds singing, I can find greenery all around, and I'm so lucky person that I have a peacefully place where I can study, where I can make my videos, where I can practice for improving my communication skill. So guys, if you are also living in village side, so please comment your village name and district name, and please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.